Tired of juggling payment methods every time you shop online? Well, today I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Pay to PayPal. Unlocking a faster and more secure checkout experience, it's easier than you think. So let's jump right in. Unfortunately, you can't directly link your Apple Pay account to PayPal, but you can add the cards you have linked to Apple Pay individually to your PayPal account. First, on your iPhone, open your Wallet app. This is where all your cards connected to Apple Pay live. Next, select the specific card you want to add to your PayPal account. Tap on it. Now, look for the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the card detailed screen and tap on them. This will bring up more information about your card. Find your card number, expiration date, and security code. You'll need these, so write them down or copy the card number. Now, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to the PayPal website on your computer. Navigate to the Wallet section. It's usually found in the bottom navigation bar of the app or in the profile menu on the website. In the Wallet section, look for an option like Link a Card or Bank, or simply Link a Card. Tap on it. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. This is where you'll use the information you gathered from your Apple Wallet, the card number, expiration date, and security code. Double check to make sure all the information is accurate. After entering the details, save the card. PayPal might ask you to verify the card. This usually involves a small temporary charge that's quickly refunded. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process if prompted. That's it. Now, when you make a purchase using PayPal, you'll see the card you added from Apple Pay as a payment option selected, and enjoy the convenience of using your Apple Pay linked card through PayPal. And that's how you do it. Happy shopping!